Hey guys, this is OneHoof, the helicopter guy. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is OneHoof, the helicopter guy. I have something very unique and very special to share with you today. I have photographs that I personally took on July 22nd, 1990 at the Dayton International Airshow in Vandalia, Ohio, of this little stealthy looking Stealthstar light attack helicopter that was proposed by a company out of California called the American Aircraft Corporation. The fascinating thing was, the whole premise of this company was to repurpose old Army surplus helicopters from the Vietnam era. And the concept prototype helicopter you're seeing in the photos here was actually based on the Bell OH-58 A model or OH-58C Kiowa helicopters. Of course, the Kiowa OH-58 is what evolved to become the Bell 206 series, the Jet Ranger. The Stealthstar was to use the engines and drive components and transmissions out of the OH-58 Kiowa helicopters. The people from the American Aircraft Corporation were very nice, and they even sent me a large envelope with detailed information on both the Stealthstar and the Penetrator attack helicopter prototypes. This is what it said about the Stealthstar attack helicopter in their pamphlet. Stealthstar. American Aircraft Corporation has developed an innovative plan to make existing surplus helicopters into reconfigured, remanufactured, all-composite air vehicles that provide killing power through speed, maneuverability, agility, low stealth signatures, additional look-down firepower, and ballistic survivability. Called the Stealthstar, this helicopter can meet and defeat low and mid-intensity threats most nations now must address in warfare. It does not have the electronic sophistication or mission equipment package of the LHX, making it affordable to own and maintain without sacrificing performance. The Stealthstar will be the first helicopter to reflect battlefield requirements for look-down air-ground firepower, low observable technology, all-composite fabrication with ballistic tolerance, compounded helicopter configuration, and the new combat doctrine for low and mid-intensity warfare. Because contemporary scout attack helicopters had their design parameters established in the early 1960s, they did not encompass the lessons learned in Vietnam. Nor do they incorporate emerging composite technologies or certain aerodynamic enhancements. The Stealthstar, however, does, by keeping the aircraft small, reducing rotor glint, utilizing composites, faceted geometry, proper shaping, and internal weapon stores. It will achieve such a low observable signature that it will be difficult to detect. Aerodynamic enhancements are achieved by appreciably reducing the helicopter's parasite drag, reducing the frontal area, increasing the fineness ratio, using internal weapon stores, unloading the rotor disc with compounded wings, and increasing the forward thrust. Through aerodynamic configuration, engineering, and the use of composites, the Stealthstar's drag will be reduced by 50%. At maximum velocity, half a helicopter's drag is parasite drag, with the balance being profile and induced drag. The Stealthstar, through a significant savings in parasite drag, will perform a velocity as much as 33% above the military payload configured Pier helicopters. The Stealthstar's design incorporates a slim, faceted composite fuselage, a fineness ratio of 6, and a compact airframe incorporating internal missile bays, bomb bays, rocket bays, internally mounted guns and cannons, and an inverted V-tail with a telescope mast sight located at the apex out of the windstream of converging canted twin rudders. These design features reduce detectability while enhancing low-flying nap of the earth operations. The American Aircraft Corporation design team developed the Stealthstar using powertrain, landing gear skids, or retractable landing gear, electrical systems, and other related items of the base helicopter, and reconfiguring them for the sleek, faceted all-composite Stealthstar. The Stealthstar configuration is half as wide as the Kiowa, with a fineness ratio of 6 to minimize the parasite drag of the air vehicle's fuselage. The Stealthstar had a crew of 3 in tandem: the gunner co-pilot, the raised tandem-seated pilot, and the rear-facing second gunner in an aft-facing underslung turreted cockpit. The deep-faceted wing roots incorporate missile bays or rocket bays. The forward-firing machine gun or 20mm cannon is encased in the elongated, faceted nose with an additional 2 missile tubes in the forward fuselage strakes. The rear gunner has excellent look-down, shoot-down vision with slewing machine gun for 220 degrees in azimuth and 60 degrees in elevation. The Stealthstar, with its enhanced aerodynamic performance, small silhouette, low observables, increased firepower, and aft-facing gunner, is an excellent candidate for a cost and mission-effective VTOL weapons platform helicopter. It is useful for such missions as aero scout, aero recon, surveillance, and scout attack, and it is the only all-composite compounded military helicopter in the world market today to meet today's threats. Built with the ability to win the conflict, the performance and specifications for the Stealthstar are described in the table below.